Okay, good morning. Here we go. Guess who's back from the repair shop? Yep. It's been 10, 12 weeks waiting for a part from America, which is a gasket, which I think had corroded in the carb. That's why it was running like a... Well, it didn't run at first. Remember we did this video about buying off eBay? 9.9 4 horsepower. 9.9 4-stroke Merc, which I'm going to test today. But before I can do anything, I've got to make a boat, an engine stand for it. So that's today's video, and then tomorrow's video, if I get a chance, we'll try and get this thing running. All right, so back in the garage. Okay, so we had some leftovers up at the cabin where we benched the bench and everything. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces there and 4 pieces here of decking. So I've got to assemble, and I'll show you it. We're making they're a bit long, so I'm going to cut them down. It's a bit crowded in here because this is my lad's. He's moving house, so we got all his stuff, but I'll use his tools. Right, so I'll crack on doing a bit of measuring and I'll bring you back in a sec. So the transom on a average boat, well, not average boat, on a short shaft is around about 15 inches. So it's from the top of the engine mount here, as you can see that, down to the cavitation plate, which is there, that one there, just above the propeller, and that's the distance of the clearance. That's whether it's a long shaft or a short shaft. The long shaft is about 24 inches, well, 22 to 24, if my calculations are right, but don't hold me to it. So I want to build a stand roughly in between that, but I've got a stand for a long shaft for the sailboat. It's only a cheapy thing, homemade, so I want to make another one. Okay, first cut, 33 inches, that's what I'm going to go for. If it doesn't look right, I can cut it back down again. If I cut too much off, I can't. So 33 inches for the first 2 mainstays. Okay, 2 stabilizer feet, which will go, you'll see it when it comes together, 18 inches I'm going to put them at. Okay, first screw. I'm making this as I go along, by the way. These drivers are brilliant. Oh, not that close. I don't want to split the wood. I want to make sure it's level. So I'm using one of these jigs that my lad's got. Okay. Gotta get it right. It moves a little bit with just the one. Can adjust it. Okay, looking good. Where's this going? It's like power crazy. You could just keep going and just go straight through. Number 2. Okay, first boob was I put them on the same side, so it didn't look right. So now I just swapped it around quickly. So in other words, one was on the outside, one was on the inside. They're both now the right way around. Doesn't take long, does it? Here we go. Right, this is for the... Oh, split it. Bad. Right, okay. I think about that one. and maybe a new piece for that. Okay, swapped it round. So just a tiny little at the bottom there. That doesn't matter. Right, I'm going to start reinforcing it now, and then a few more supports. Pretty easy. Okay, it's only built out of scrap, but pretty solid. I'm going to I'll support the two sides now. Put a piece in the bottom. I could put a platform across there actually, because that's where the bucket will fit. Because the engine will come, the main engine and the prop will be down here. So you usually have a bucket there to swill it out with. That's the idea. So I'll probably fill that in. I probably will fill that in actually. But there you go, pretty basic. I'll show you it when it's finished. Okay, so I've left a little gap in between. Not screwed them down yet. I'll do that in a sec. That's for any water drainage as well. So when the engine's running and you're testing it, any spillage will just go out. Right, I'll get these screwed down. I think we're not far off. Pretty tidy. Away. Too much. These are quite big screws actually. And this one, which is a big support one, is that down. So the last piece I'm putting on is for stability at the back here, and that's going to stop any movement on the sides with a bit of luck. I'm running out of screws slowly. I don't think this thing's going anywhere much. Right, a few more in and we're done. There you go. Crazy hours work. Absolute piece of cake. I just get things in my head and go for it. I'm morning chicken. These aren't laying at the moment anyway, that's beside the point. Okay, so, and it's light, it's not, you know, easy, strong, not going anywhere. So some old decking I found, some bits of wood, chuck it together, and I got a boat engine testing stand. If you like the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel a lot. Subscribe button right over in that corner there with my ugly mug, and a notification bell. If you could ring that, that'll give you, every time the videos comes out, you'll be notified if you find them interesting. And up and coming videos over this, over there and there. All right, take care. Have a great week and stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.